Hello everyone, Dr. John here. Welcome to my Tuesday broadcast. My broadcast this week will focus upon the theme of nature and nurture when it comes to GC index proclivities. This theme of nature and nurture has fascinated researchers for decades as they try to understand a range of human behaviours from psychosis to criminality to personality. It's hard to disentangle the nature-nurture debate without resort to very well-controlled studies, usually involving identical twins. The question of nature-nurture has been asked a number of times by members of our community. Are proclivities the product of nature or nurture? Three profiles recently reviewed by my colleagues brought this theme once again to my attention. On this slide are three profiles, two GC index profiles and a young person's profile. This is a mother, her mother and her daughter. 3 generations of women genetically linked. As you can see, they all have very strong polisher profiles. Is this a product of nature, biology? Possibly. It's quite striking. But it also could be a product of the internal dialogues that get passed from one generation to the next. For example, a common polisher dialogue is, if a job's worth doing, it's worth doing well. It's easy to see how this would have potentially shaped the profiles of mother and daughter. Nathan and I discussed this theme of internal dialogue more fully in our book, Coaching Me, Coaching You. Also, you might argue, if proclivity were biologically determined, should we see very similar profiles across all 5 proclivities? They're close, but they're not exact. And so the argument goes on, a fascinating one that's hard to resolve. On Thursday, I will present the next instalment on this debate by sharing with you GC index profiles for twins. Once again, I'd welcome your thoughts.